This is Mandarin meets English. Today's topic, Ride to Victory. Today's speaker. Chad has an American accent.
Title, Ride to Victory. In the heart of the cycling world, where the roads stretched like ribbons through picturesque landscapes, lived a determined and passionate young cyclist named Lily Thompson. With dreams of victory propelling her forward, Lily's journey unfolded on the pedals of her trusty bicycle, weaving through the exhilarating highs of competition and the demanding lows of relentless training. Chapter 1: The Birth of a Cyclist. Lily's love affair with cycling began in the quaint town of Hillside, where the rolling hills and winding roads provided the perfect canvas for her budding passion. At the tender age of 10, she received her first bicycle, a sleek, silver machine that would become an extension of her own body. The wind in her hair and the rhythmic hum of rubber meeting asphalt ignited a fire within Lily, a flame that would grow into an insatiable desire to ride faster and farther than anyone else.
As the years passed, Lily's talent on the bike became evident.
The small town roads transformed into her training ground, where she honed her skills and developed the endurance that would set her apart in the competitive world of cycling.
Chapter 2: The Uphill Battle. Lily's journey to becoming a professional cyclist was not without challenges. The uphill battles were not only literal, as she conquered steep inclines that seemed to defy gravity, but also metaphorical, as she faced skepticism and doubt from those who questioned a small-town girl's ability to make it in the fiercely
competitive cycling arena.
Undeterred, Lily embraced each uphill battle as an opportunity for growth.
The pain in her legs became a testament to her resilience, and the doubts of others fueled her determination. Through tireless training and unwavering commitment, Lily transformed from a local prodigy into a force to be reckoned with on the national cycling scene. Chapter 3: The Whirlwind of Competition. As Lily entered the realm of professional cycling, the whirlwind of competition greeted her with open arms. The peloton, a vibrant and pulsating mass of color, became her new arena. From the adrenaline-fueled sprints to the grueling mountain stages, Lily faced challenges that tested not only her physical prowess but also her mental fortitude. In the midst of fierce competitors and unpredictable race dynamics, Lily discovered the thrill of the chase and the ecstasy of crossing the finish line victorious. Each race was a symphony of strategy, stamina, and sheer willpower, and Lily reveled in the exhilarating dance of wheels spinning against the backdrop of breathtaking landscapes. Chapter 4: The Trainer's Den. Behind every victory on the road lay hours of grueling training. Lily's dedication to her craft took her to the trainer's den, a space where sweat, determination, and a hint of pain sculpted her into a formidable athlete. Endless hours were spent spinning on stationary bikes, pushing her limits in strength training sessions, and dissecting race footage to fine-tune her strategies. Her trainer, Coach Miller, became not just a mentor but a sculptor shaping Lily into a force of nature on two wheels. Together, they worked on perfecting her pedal stroke, enhancing her sprinting capabilities, and cultivating the mental resilience required to weather the storms of competition. The trainer's den became a sanctuary where Lily's dreams were forged through sweat and sacrifice.
Chapter 5: The Rivalry and the Bond. In the world of cycling, rivalries were inevitable. For Lily, her chief adversary was the seasoned and formidable Emma Turner. The two cyclists, each fueled by a desire to outshine the other, engaged in battles that transcended the finish line. Their rivalry, while intense, bred a mutual respect born from the understanding that in the crucible of competition, the strongest bonds are often forged. As Lily and Emma traded victories and defeats, a camaraderie emerged, a shared understanding of the sacrifices made, the relentless pursuit of excellence, and the indescribable joy that comes from pushing the boundaries of what is possible on a bicycle. Their rivalry, while fierce, became a catalyst for growth, pushing both cyclists to new heights. Chapter 6: The Breakaway Moment.
Amidst the peloton's frenetic energy and the rhythmic hum of wheels on asphalt, Lily experienced a breakaway moment that would define her career. In a pivotal race, she found herself leading the charge, breaking free from the pack with an audacious burst of speed. The wind against her face and the uncharted road ahead fueled her determination. As the kilometers melted away beneath her wheels, Lily's heart raced in sync with her cadence. The breakaway was not just a physical feat. It was a manifestation of her unwavering will to seize the moment, to escape the confines of the peloton, and to ride into the unknown with the audacity of a true champion.
Chapter 7: The Summit of Victory.
The culmination of Lily's journey reached its zenith on the slopes of Mont Ventoux, a legendary climb that had witnessed the triumphs and defeats of cycling's greatest. The road snaked upward, challenging Lily with its steep gradients and unforgiving twists. As she ascended, the summit loomed like a beacon, drawing her closer with every pedal stroke.
With an unwavering resolve, Lily conquered the mountain.
The summit, where the air was thin and the view stretched to infinity, became the stage for her victory. The euphoria of crossing the finish line at the summit, arms raised in triumph, was not just a personal victory but a testament to the countless hours of training, the battles with rivals, and the indomitable spirit that propelled her to the zenith of cycling glory.
Chapter 8: The Legacy of a Cyclist.
As Lily stood atop the podium, adorned in the laurels of victory, she knew that her journey was more than just a personal triumph. The legacy of a cyclist extended beyond the individual victories. It was a beacon of inspiration for aspiring riders, a testament to the power of perseverance, and a celebration of the undying passion for the sport.
Lily's legacy became a torch passed to the next generation of cyclists.
Her story resonated not only in the race results but in the faces of young riders who watched in awe, dreaming of their ascent to the summit of victory. The road, once a solitary path for Lily, now bore the imprints of countless cyclists inspired by her indomitable spirit.
Chapter 9: The Ride Continues.
As Lily Thompson continued to ride, the roads ahead stretched into the horizon like an endless tapestry of possibilities. The thrill of competition, the camaraderie with fellow cyclists, and the pursuit of excellence fueled her perpetual journey. The summit of victory, though conquered, was not a destination but a milestone on a road that stretched into the future. For Lily, the ride continued, a journey that transcended the podiums and the finish lines. With each pedal stroke, she carried the lessons of perseverance, the camaraderie of rivals turned friends, and the unwavering passion that had ignited her love affair with cycling. The road, with its twists and turns, became not just a path but a testament to the enduring spirit of a cyclist who rode not only for victory but for the sheer joy of the ride itself.
Chapter 10: The Global Stage. Lily's success on the local and national circuits catapulted her onto the global stage. Invitations to prestigious international races flooded in, and Lily embraced the challenge of competing against the world's best cyclists. The cobblestone streets of Paris-Roubaix, the majestic peaks of the Tour de France, and the sun-drenched roads of the Giro d'Italia became the arenas where Lily continued to carve her legacy. The global stage brought new challenges and heightened competition, but Lily's resilience and determination proved unwavering. With each race, she carried the hopes of a nation and the dreams of cyclists worldwide who looked up to her as a beacon of inspiration. Chapter 11: Beyond Competition, Cycling for a Cause. As Lily's career soared, she realized the power of her platform to effect positive change. Beyond the exhilaration of competition, Lily dedicated herself to cycling for a cause. She became an ambassador for environmental awareness, promoting sustainable practices within the cycling community and beyond. Lily organized charity rides to raise funds for underprivileged youth to access bicycles and experience the joy of cycling. Her passion extended beyond personal victories. It became a force for good, making a meaningful impact on communities and contributing to a more sustainable and inclusive cycling culture. Chapter 12: The Mentor and the Next Generation. As Lily's career approached its zenith, she took on a new role as a mentor for aspiring cyclists. The next generation, inspired by her journey, sought guidance from the seasoned champion.
Lily, with a heart full of gratitude for the mentors who shaped her path, embraced the opportunity to pass on her knowledge, wisdom, and the ethos of resilience. The mentorship program became a bridge connecting seasoned riders with the rising stars of cycling. Lily reveled in the joy of seeing her mentees conquer their own summits, echoing the cycle of inspiration that had fueled her own ascent.
Chapter 13: The Retirement Ride.
After years of conquering peaks and blazing trails, Lily faced the inevitable crossroads of retirement. The decision was not made lightly, but Lily embraced it with the same determination that had fueled her cycling career. The retirement ride, a symbolic journey through the landscapes that had witnessed her triumphs, became a poignant farewell to competitive cycling. As Lily pedaled through familiar roads and celebrated with fellow cyclists who had become lifelong friends, she felt a deep sense of gratitude. The retirement ride was not an end but a transition, a continuation of the journey on a different path. Thanks for your watching. Have a good day. If you don't want to miss the next video, remember to subscribe and turn on the bell. The vocabulary in today's video are blocked in the description.
You are welcome to download and review.
Keep practicing, and you will get the results you deserve.